In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your email list in Constant Contact. Email marketing is an invaluable tool for businesses, but having a clean and updated email list is essential for effective communication and engagement. Over time, email lists can accrue inactive, bounced, or duplicate emails, which can affect your deliverability and your overall marketing goals. Today, we'll walk through the process of tidying up your email list using Constant Contact, a popular email marketing service. So let's dive in and ensure your contacts are in tip-top shape. To get started, you'll first want to search for Constant Contact on Google. This is a great starting point if you're not already familiar with its login page. Once you have the site pulled up, click on the link to head over to the Constant Contact homepage. If you're already familiar with Constant Contact, feel free to navigate over directly. Next, find the Login button, typically located in the upper right corner of the site. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your account details. Once you've entered your information, go ahead and log in. Now you're on your way to managing your email list more efficiently. After you're logged in, locate the email section. This is typically found in the main navigation menu or dashboard, offering an overview of your email campaigns and lists. It's a crucial part of the process because it's where you'll find all your emails and the options to manage them. Now, browse through your email list looking for the specific email you want to delete. This could be an old, outdated email campaign or one that was never completed. Once you've found the email you want to remove, look for the three dots situated next to it. This icon usually indicates more options, and clicking on it will reveal several actions you can take. You're almost there. After clicking on the three dots, you'll see the option to delete the email. Click on Delete, and you'll likely be prompted to confirm this action. Confirming ensures that you don't accidentally remove something you might still need. This step cleans up your list by getting rid of emails that are no longer relevant or necessary. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively cleaned up your email list in Constant Contact. Regularly maintaining your list in this way helps in keeping your audience engaged and your email campaigns efficient. Remember, a cleaner list not only improves deliverability, but also enhances your sender reputation and contributes to more successful email marketing efforts. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you keep your email lists organized and up to date.